see. He does perform quite well, especially up against that blue sky and the escarpment. Aircraft is powered by two J-85 engines, 2,850 pounds thrust, and they are tiny. They're only like about 3 foot long, but boy, do they develop some power. It's the same engine that is in the Learjet.
It's pretty amazing. So the use actually use these for training device combat. We use for combat in the South Vietnamese Air Force.
Developed from the T-37 trainer, the Tweet. He was actually an ophthalmic surgeon. He was working up in Vietnam and he saw these aircraft, made an approach and actually acquired them.